Okay, so this air conditioner unit was cleaned yesterday by a company claiming to be a competitor. So look, we'll take it apart, we'll show you the insides, we'll give you a comparison. So for around the same price, you can either have it cleaned or you can have it hydro cleaned.